Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. Today, I want to talk to you about a thing I found. I really want to start a newsletter. I found a thing because this is one of the things I found, and I told my two favorite besties who like this kind of stuff. And then I thought I got to tell you guys too because it's such a good thing. And what it is, it's a website called Kit, and it's free, and this is not an affiliate thing. There's no affiliate program associated with it. It's just a thing I found that was amazing. So what they let you do is you get your own page. When you sign up, you get your own page, and then you can make what are called kits. So I'm going to start by showing you this ARC planner and accessory kit. I added a YouTube video where I did a walkthrough of my planner, and I also put a link to this kit on that planner. So see, now we're starting to see some things you can do with it. And then literally I put all the different pieces in it. And I want to show you why this is so much easier than, and we're going to just come right down here and then we're going to pause. I want to show you why this is so much easier than doing it on your own website or planner, on your own website. Because this is, I'm in the way. Hold on one second. This is my shop, my blog post, where I'm trying to tell them about my personalized planner. And this post it's the second highest post on this site, so it gets a lot of traffic to it. But it was really kind of kerfuffly. Like I did the, poorly, I did the Amazon things where you could kind of go in here and do it. I did some more down here. I don't, and it looks bad enough on, this on the website, but if you are on mobile, this is just going to be where a lot of people are now. This is going to be a debacle. But the cool thing was I just went and made a picture with some of the items, and then I said click here. So if we go to our analytics, my analytics, and we look at this, there have been 65 people that have clicked through, and they've looked at 520 products, and they've clicked the product links. Now, why does this matter? Well, number one, the very first cool thing about Kit is that you can put your Amazon affiliate number in, and then all you have to do is put Amazon links, and they will attribute all those clicks. They associate it with your outgoing Amazon affiliate account. It is amazing. So if you've ever wanted to build little Amazon affiliate stores, this is kind of cool. But wait, there's more. So I was like, okay, fine. I get the concept of that, and that was good. And then what I did was, the next thing I found that was really cool was I was like, well, can I put Etsy links in? So now I have these Amazon products, but I also have these Etsy links that go to my Etsy store. So that's not an affiliate product, but it's going to my actual product. So say you were a handmade seller on Etsy. You could link to all kinds of, what I'm thinking of is, say you sell planner covers, like Midori planner covers. I'm obsessed with planners. And then you want to give them all the inserts or something like that. Or say you sell jewelry and you want to have jewelry boxes and your jewelry and maybe supplies or whatever. You could put those all together into a kit, and you don't have to build it. Whatever link you put here goes to that, and you get the ability to add your little, those aren't very good, like your reasons. Now that I see how many kinds of tabs I use, I'm starting to think I have a planner addiction. Like, people love that kind of personal reference to it. And then it gets even better. I did my shipping supplies, and I was like, well, I really need to be able to click, add the free products from the USPS, and so you can put any link in here. This is what is so absolutely amazing is, yes, your Amazon affiliate links will go to your Amazon program. I have an eBay affiliate number, and so if I put eBay links on there, it will do it. The problem for me with eBay links is they tend to come and go a lot more than the Amazon links. The Amazon links, I don't want to have to be updating this every 15 minutes. This is supposed to be a quickie thing for me. And so then this is my last one I've made so far. And what I did with this is kind of fun. These are my books on Amazon, my ebooks on Amazon in the Kindle program. And then this is another book that I recommend to my realtors. So this is for my realtor peeps. And then I put a link to my marketing posts so that people can go, can go to my marketing posts, and then my my course, right? So it has always been really hard to make a beautiful web page that I could say, okay, here, you get this on Etsy, you get this on my website, you get this on Amazon, where when you do it here, you can kind of wrap it up in one big bow. So there's a few things that I thought we could do with this, and I'm sure you can brainstorm a whole lot more, but you can keep all your bits in one place like mine is. I thought this was just like, I'm over the moon for being able to put all my courses, books, planners, everything in one place from all the different places. Number two, you could do book club lists. One of my friends does a book club. And so literally you could make a book club list of the book clubs that you recommend. It could be that you're doing a course and you have all different products. Now, would it be public to everybody? Absolutely, because people are finding this and it's amazing and I'm getting clicks, and I made $24 on Amazon, which I have not made 24. I'm not a good Amazon affiliate. I made $24 on Amazon right away from adding this kind of thing. You could do, so what came to mind, I was talking to my girlfriend Kerr, and she's a beach body coach, and she's an Amazon affiliate, and so she could have her Beachbody Shakeology, she could have her workout videos, like say it was a PIYO, P-I-Y-O workout video, which is Pilates and yoga. She could have then a yoga mat from Amazon, the water bottle that she uses, like I have a Delightful Llama water bottle. So she could have all those things on one board, and then anytime she talks about that in her Facebook group or on her Facebook page, she could link to this kit, and then she wouldn't have to like put in dorky Amazon links. She wouldn't have to do anything like that. She would just be able to link to this kit. And this is obviously a sales page. Part of the problem that people get in trouble with doing affiliate marketing is if I link to a page on my website and I don't have it like very clearly that these are products I'm recommending for sale, it could be feel a little disingenuous. But on here, this is a shopping cart. You expect that in a shopping cart like this, you're going to be purchasing products. So I do think I am going to put a disclaimer at the top of these, like this includes my products and affiliate products, and that way I can really protect myself and not have anybody think that I'm being disingenuous, because I'm not. But this was just a thing that I had to show. Well, I actually made this video for Kerr because I was like, you've got to do it. So hopefully that helps. If you like videos like this, make sure to hit the like button. And if you like all kinds of marketing stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully.